Welcome to another Cronycle tutorial. Today we are going to describe how to organize, enrich, and make sense of content on your board. Let's start with tags, a simple way to keep content organized. Add one or several tags to any content, here from the board tile. Tags already used on this board are suggested, or you can type a new one. You can add tags from other places, from the board content reader, the board tile preview and feeds, our iOS app, and our content clippers. Later on, use tags to filter on your board, or across all boards. Tags also get published alongside content for the compatible options. Teams with a Cronycle Enterprise plan can also set a unique list of tags, very useful to implement a consistent nomenclature. While you are reading, you can also annotate key points. In the board content reader, highlight the section of text, and click on Annotate. Now, you have the option to add your own label, or use a suggestion. You can also type a note below where you can mention other board collaborators if you are using Cronycle as a team. For each annotation, a few actions are available: to copy the text, share, discuss, or remove. Commenting is possible at the board tile level 2 and mostly useful for teams. Click on the speech icon to add a comment. When you mention a board collaborator, he or she will get a notification. Notification preferences are set from the board settings, for each user and board. One article, post, or video rarely fully covers a story, so you can group items into story arcs. To start, click on Group from the board menu, then, click once on each item to group. When you are ready, confirm. The resulting story arc keeps the items together on the board, and they also get published together. This works for articles, tweets, Twitter conversations, and videos. At the top of each board tile, you can write a summary to introduce your perspective on the story. You can even get help from the auto summarizer. It grabs important sentences from the content, often containing key expressions and references which you can edit. The summary gets published with the content. You can switch the board view to quickly see all the insights you added to the board. Click on the board menu 4 squares icon, and select your insights. For each board item, this view shows the title, reference, summary, tags, and annotated texts with their label. Now that you have uncovered and reviewed your insights, export them to continue your workflow. Filter or search your board if needed. Click on Export. Then select your insights, and pick the format you want: RTF for an editable text file, or CSV for a spreadsheet. You can also export insights for single items. You can also find content on your board using filters and the full text search. Available filters vary on plan type but always include tags, content type, date, and approval. Thank you for watching this Cronycle tutorial.